Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Type H filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining a clean and enjoyable pool experience. This small but mighty filter cartridge is designed to capture dirt, debris, and other impurities, ensuring your pool water stays crystal clear. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Intex Type H filter, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for any pool owner. Number 5. Intex 29000E Type A Pool Filter Cartridge. This filter cartridge is made with easy-to-clean Dacron paper. It's designed for the ultimate filtration, ensuring your pool water stays clean and clear. This filter cartridge is compatible with several Intex Crystal Clear cartridge filter pump models. For optimal performance, make sure it fits your specific pump model. For maximum efficiency, it's recommended to replace this cartridge every 2 weeks. This simple routine helps maintain a clean and enjoyable pool experience. This product utilizes patented hydroaeration technology. This technology improves water circulation, clarity, and freshness in your pool. Intex designs and tests all products to the highest standards. This product is built to last, offering both safety and value for your pool needs. What we like. This filter cartridge features easy-to-clean Dacron paper, ensuring effortless maintenance. It also utilizes hydroaeration technology, enhancing water circulation and clarity. If you have an Intex pool and value both convenience and water quality, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. I will check the water flow coming out, and if it feels less powerful, I know it needs to be replaced. Wow! What a difference this proper fitting filter has made. I can actually see the water moving for the first time ever. Can be removed from filter pump and rinsed with garden hose a number of times. Great quality, good fit, good price. Number 4. Intex PureSpa Type S1 Filter Cartridge 2-pack. Tired of cloudy spa water? These filters are designed to keep your PureSpa water clean and fresh. They ensure a more relaxing spa experience for you. Maintaining these filters is a breeze. Made with heavy-duty Dacron paper, they provide the ultimate filtration for your hot tub. This makes it easy to keep your spa in top condition. For optimal performance, clean the cartridges weekly and replace them monthly. This simple routine will help you get the most out of your spa. These filters are designed to keep your hot tub safe and clean. They work hard to increase the performance of your pool, ensuring a better experience. These filters work with all Intex PureSpa models, including 28403E, 28407E, 28443E, 28453E, 28421E, 28423E, 28413E, and 28453E. You can be sure they will fit your spa. What we like. Designed specifically for spas, this filter keeps your water clear and fresh. With easy maintenance and a recommended monthly replacement, it ensures optimal performance. If you are looking for a relaxing spa experience with minimal effort, you should consider it. What people say. Works great. I usually can rinse a few cycles before disposing. Ordered some off brands that actually got gooey and melted on my hands, so now I always order these. Great for the Intex Greystone Spa. Was a bit tighter fit than what came with it, but works fine. Work great, can be cleaned and reused a number of times. Number 3. Bestway SaluSpa Filter Cartridge 6, 2-pack. This is a premium Type 6 filter cartridge replacement. It's designed to work with your SaluSpa hot tub pumps. This will help you maintain clean and clear spa water. These filter cartridges are compatible with all SaluSpa inflatable hot tub and spa models. You can easily replace the old one with this. It's a perfect fit for your spa. The easy-to-clean design allows this filter to last longer than other replacements. This means you won't need to buy replacements as often. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. Each package includes 2 filter cartridges. The model number is 60311E. This ensures you have a spare on hand when you need it. The dimensions are 4.2 by 4.2 by 3.1 inches. The diameter is 4.2 inches. This product is shrink-wrapped with an insert card. What we like. This filter is designed to last longer than other replacements, saving you time and money. It is also easy to clean, ensuring your hot tub water stays pristine. If you like a hassle-free solution for your SaluSpa, this is the one for you. What people say. The Bestway filter has been in my spa now going on 2 weeks, without even having to rinse or clean it, no pump errors. It fits perfectly in this size a 2 to 4 person hot tub. The other great thing about this filter is that you can clean it repeatedly, per manufacturer's instructions, and use it for weeks, longer than the manufacturer promises. I get at least a month of use out of each filter, cleaning it every 2 to 3 days with no issue. Number 2. Intex 29007E Type H Pool Filter Cartridge. This filter cartridge is made with easy-to-clean Dacron paper. It is designed for the ultimate filtration, ensuring your pool water stays clean and clear. This filter cartridge H by Intex is compatible with several filter pump models. It is designed to work seamlessly with your existing Intex pool setup. For maximum efficiency, it's recommended to replace the cartridge every 2 weeks. This simple routine helps maintain a clean and enjoyable pool experience. This product utilizes patented hydroaeration technology. This technology improves water circulation, clarity, and freshness in your pool. Intex designs and tests all its products to the highest standards. This product is built to last, offering both safety and value for your pool. What we like. This filter cartridge features easy-to-clean Dacron paper, ensuring effortless maintenance. It also utilizes hydroaeration technology, enhancing water circulation and clarity. If you have an Intex pool and value both convenience and water quality, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Easy to maintain. Good filtration for small pools. It fits the pump I have. Number 1. US Pool Supply Type AC Replacement Filter. These are premium quality replacement filter cartridges. They are compatible with above-ground pools and pumps that use Type A or C filters. This ensures your pool water stays crystal clear. The filters replace Intex 59900E and 29000E cartridges. They also work with various models from Bestway and Summer Waves. It's a versatile choice for many pool owners. Made with high-quality polyethylene terephthalate fibers, this provides superior cleaning. The durable core is collapse-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. These filters are designed for pumps ranging from 530 to 2000 gallons per hour. For best results, replace them every 2 weeks. They are easy to clean and replace. The filters are washable and easy to replace. They have a long service life, making pool maintenance simple. The dimensions are 8 high x 4.25 diameter. What we like. This filter offers universal compatibility, fitting various pool pump brands. It provides premium filtration, ensuring crystal clear water. If you are looking for a versatile and effective filter for your above-ground pool, you should consider this. What people say. These fit in there perfectly. You get 4, which honestly is enough to last all year. We are able to wash them and reuse them just like the big name brand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.